What's good, everyone? Today, we're diving into the best new releases household gadgets on Amazon, designed to save you time and add some flair to your home. These aren't just gadgets, they can be your new best friends for a more efficient, stylish home. Stick with us as we unpack these picks one by one. Let's get rolling. Kicking things off, the MMUI Square Fine Mesh Skimmer is a kitchen essential you didn't know you needed. This duo of skimmers, crafted from tough 304 stainless steel, handles everything from straining pasta to skimming foam off broth. The 15.75-inch handle keeps your hands safe from sizzling oil, with a comfy grip that feels just right. Its 5x6-inch mesh with a tight 2mm weave catches every bit of grease or grain, making it a pro at filtering quinoa or pulling veggies from boiling water. Whether you're frying or straining, this tool makes kitchen prep a breeze. Say hello to the Hotto Electric Spin Scrubber, your new cleaning sidekick. This beast delivers serious power with two speeds, 220 RPM for everyday messes and 300 RPM for stubborn grime, tackling kitchen sinks, stoves, and tiles like a champ. Its 4,000 mAh battery runs for up to 110 minutes, so you can scrub the whole house on one charge. Fully waterproof, it laughs off soapy sinks, and the one-button control makes switching modes a snap. With 9 swappable brush heads, it's ready for countertops, range hoods, and more. Bring some Japanese swagger to your kitchen with the Oleekes Tamayaki Pan set. This compact 5x7-inch non-stick pan is your go-to for perfect tamayaki, omelet rolls, or even crispy bacon and crepes. The PFOA-free coating ensures food slides off easily, while the cool touch wood handle keeps things comfy. It works on any stovetop, including induction, and cleans up in seconds. The set's loaded with extras: a serving plate, oil brush, silicone spatula, frying chopsticks, and a musabi mold, making you feel like a pro chef. The Oater H2 Pro flat mop system is here to make floor cleaning a vibe. Its dual tank setup keeps clean and dirty water separate, so every swipe is fresh, covering up to 650 square feet per fill. Lightweight and slim, it's perfect for tight spaces, apartments, or multi-floor homes. The telescopic handle stretches to 56 inches, sparing your back while reaching under furniture. No batteries needed. Built-in water jets soak the extra-wide microfiber pad evenly for a streak-free clean on hardwood or tile. This mop's sturdy, eco-friendly design makes cleaning less of a chore and more of a flex. Dine in style with the Nutriup's 8-inch ceramic ramen bowl set. These 40-ounce beauties, made from lead and cadmium-free ceramic, are safe, durable, and won't soak up food odors or stains. Perfect for ramen, pho, salads, or fried rice. Their 8-inch size keeps toppings and broths secure. Microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe, they're built for everyday use. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a solo noodle night, these bowls add elegance and function. They're not just dishes, they're a vibe that makes Asian-inspired dining unforgettable. Transform your sleep game with the Moring Japanese floor futon mattress. Handmade by artisans, this 100% profiled urethane futon offers plush comfort, killer breathability, and perfect pressure distribution for better posture and easy tossing and turning. It's a modern twist on traditional cotton, delivering durability and a cozy feel. Whether you're going full zen or need a space-saving sleep solution, this futon's got your back. Elevate your rest with a piece of Japanese tradition that's built to last and impress. The Zoku Pocket Utensil Set is your eco-friendly go-anywhere dining kit. Crafted from sturdy 18x8 stainless steel with a BPA-free polypropylene case, this fork, spoon, and knife trio stacks neatly for easy carry in pockets, bags, or lunchboxes. The silicone grip keeps things quiet and clean, minimizing finger contact with food-touching parts. Whether you're at a rest stop or in the wilderness, these utensils bring reliability and style. Tea lovers, the Viante Luxury Tea Set is your new obsession. This all-in-one kit includes a smart glass kettle with precise temperature presets for green, white, oolong, or even coffee, plus a keep warm function for 30 minutes of perfect sipping. The glossy ceramic teapot and 4 lightweight cups make every pour feel like a ritual, with an easy clean finish. A sleek bamboo tray adds a classy touch for serving guests or enjoying solo tea time. This set blends precision brewing with elegant design, making tea time a vibe. Keep your cast iron pristine with the Househoff cast iron scrubber. Its stainless steel chainmail design scrubs away rust and food bits without harming your pan's seasoning, perfect for skillets, woks, or Dutch ovens. The long, ergonomic handle offers a comfy, slip-free grip, keeping hands clear of liquids. A food-grade silicone tray makes drying and storage a cinch with a solid design that prevents residue buildup. This scrubber's tough yet gentle rings tackle tough spots without scratching, but skip it for non-stick surfaces. Easy to rinse and built to last. It's a must for cast iron fans. Fry like a pro with the Kerolin deep fryer pot. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, this Japanese-style tempura fryer handles high heat like a champ and works on all stovetops, including induction. A built-in thermometer lets you nail the perfect frying temp, ensuring crispy, golden results. Its clever lid design prevents oil splashes, and you can rest fried foods on it to drain excess oil for tastier bites. A beak-shaped pour-out spout simplifies oil disposal. Whether you're frying tempura, fries, or wings, this pot's even heat and smart features make it a kitchen superstar. Slice like a master with the Matsato chef knife, a must-have for any kitchen. This Japanese-inspired blade, crafted from premium stainless steel, stays razor-sharp and resists chipping or dulling. Its solid oak handle offers a balanced, comfy grip, making chopping veggies, meats, or herbs a breeze. From fine herbs to hearty steaks, it tackles any cutting task with ease. Easy to clean and designed for safety, it's a versatile tool that elevates your cooking game. Add the Matsato to your collection for a sharp, reliable partner that makes every slice smooth and effortless. Light up your space with the UniWoke paper lamp, a stunning blend of art and function. Its origami-inspired design folds into lantern or book shapes, adjustable up to 360 degrees for custom vibes. Switch between warm and cool lighting to set the mood, cozy for bedrooms or crisp for reading nooks. The 1200 mAh battery offers 4 to 6 hours of portable, cordless glow, perfect for any corner of your home. Made with waterproof, scratch-resistant paper and a sturdy bamboo base, it's durable and stylish. This lamp doubles as a unique gift for book lovers or a chic addition to your decor. The HBT Tower 2-step stool is your go-to for reaching high places with ease. Its sturdy triangular design supports up to 330 pounds, making it a reliable pick for any home. Wide, anti-slip pedals with textured lines keep you steady, while big rubber feet grip the floor without scratching. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or garages. It opens and closes in seconds. When not in use, it doubles as a chic plant stand, adding style to your space. Whether you're grabbing something from a high shelf or decorating, this stool combines safety, function, and a touch of elegance for everyday tasks. Pack your meals in style with the Collective Beauty Bento Box. Made from thickened PP plastic, this leak-proof lunchbox keeps food fresh and secure. Its layered design separates dishes to preserve flavors, so your rice stays distinct from your veggies. High-quality insulation keeps meals hot or cold for hours. Microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, its sleek compartmented design prevents leaks, so you can toss it in your bag worry-free. Whether you're packing sushi, salads, or leftovers, it ensures every bite stays delicious. Grill smarter with the Patelli Korean and Japanese barbecue tongs. These 10-inch stainless steel tongs are rust and heat-resistant, built for durability and easy cleaning. The self-standing design keeps them off counters, staying hygienic without a spoon rest. A non-slip handle and slim clip let you grab slippery foods like mushrooms or tomatoes without crushing them, perfect for barbecues, salads, or buffets. Whether you're flipping meat at a cookout or serving at a buffet, these tongs offer precision and comfort. And there you have it, 15 incredible household gadgets. From the MMUI Skimmer to the Patelli barbecue tongs. These Amazon new releases are all about blending practicality with style. If you loved this roundup, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest finds. Check out our other videos, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.